Hey guys, welcome to the shop. We got the power steering gearbox from the 87 GMC, or for the 87 GMC. This is from Pick and Part, but it's all oily and messy and rusty, so we're going to clean it up, get it all nice and pretty, paint it, and then later down the road we're going to put it in the truck. So just with the drill and a little brush here, we're just going to clean it up all nice the best we can, and then paint it, and we're good.
Hey, Johnny.
Yeah.
Anything you could do about the lighting? Get some better lighting here.
Yeah. This is good enough for your buddy?
Oh yeah.
Is that good enough?
Yeah. Now just hold that the whole time, and yeah, we'll be good. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Awesome. Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Let me get it in the shot. Oh yeah. That is so bad. I'm stripping over Still. Alright. Oh, I emptied this guy. Ah. Apparently I did it. Alright, well. Oopsies. That's right. Just getting that oil off, just so it doesn't splatter all over the place. Alrighty then. Oh, almost spilled all the oil. That would have been bad. Put that in there, plug that up. Make sure no contaminants get in there, even though we're going to have to flush this out anyway. Look at that. Can you get in that oil? Can you see how black that is? Alright, can you get in that? Yeah, that's dark. That's super dark. It should not be like that. Yeah, it should not be like that. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, look at that dust coming off there. You getting that, cameraman? You getting that? Oh yeah. Me and my girlfriend talked about moving in together, and we both joked that if we have people over, we'll be like my uncle and like follow people around with the dustpan. Being that much of a clean freak. Alright, oh look at you. Oh yeah! Suck at it! Oh yeah. I can probably get it from there. No, I cannot. We should probably take the pitman arm. Do we have stuff for that pitman arm? Oh, no. Dang it. Technical difficulties. Alright, when I was cleaning out my truck, I took the seat off, and there was like 2-inch thick of dirt and like dried up grass, and this was inside completely buried. I was scraping around and this came up and I was like, woo-wee! Got myself a free hammer. Look at that pretty thing. Alright, so now we're going to attempt to take the pitman arm off. We don't need any more. This one is not the right pitman arm. On my truck, it actually shoots out to the towards the driver. This one just goes straight out, and to linkage in the middle to the two tires, mine just goes to one tire and a bar right over. So this one needs to go. So we're just going to take the nut off. Hopefully we can bash it out. I don't have the necessary clamp to use to actually pull it off, but we'll try our best here. Hopefully we can bash off. If not, we'll just have to wait. So we don't have the proper socket here, so we're going to be using the crescent wrench, or the adjustable thumb wrench for everyone to know. It's not crescent because crescent's a brand. I'm going to try to take this guy off. There we go. Alright, looks like this is just held by a half nut, a locking washer, and it has splines in it. So that's what we're going to have to try to hammer off, is the splines on it. Hopefully we can just bash it off. That's what I'm hoping for. Woo-wee! Alright, I was successful. There goes that. Anyone needing a pitman arm, here you go. You know, brand new. Back in 1989 is what this came off of. So it's here. All right, let's put that back. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're good. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so dirty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this. Are you still rolling?
Yeah, I'm still rolling.
Perfect.
I'll probably cut that out. I hope I don't forget to cut that out.
No, you gotta keep it in now.
So we'll see. I'm also editing this. So.
Alright, we're gonna clean up the splines now. I don't think there's anything to worry about. I'm thinking we're gonna just have to hand kind of clean inside there. Don't want to wreck the seal in there, but definitely these I can clean up right away. So we're just gonna do that right now. Is there a dumb proof on this?
It's on now.
Alright. So we had a little axle hante during the during that little break there. Our little cameraman got his toes hit. What's the code for the shop? Always have your steel toes on? Yeah, always have your steel toes on.
Always have your steel toes on. One second here,
Hypothetically speaking, this could go right there. Toe gone.
Leave your foot right there for a second, okay?
Okay, yeah, foot right there. Yeah.
Does this look like steel toes to you?
It's definitely. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're smoking on. but they're definitely steel toes. Alrighty then. Oh, I'm playing with the lights here. Alright, now, other safety tip. So I have a face shield when you're using a grinder, right? Yep. I'm gonna grab my face shield. Hold on. We are professionals!
You're not gonna touch that face shield up there?
Yeah, no. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab this face shield, you know? Safety is the #1 priority. That's not copied from any other YouTube channel. But I mean, it's facts, right? The safety is our #1 priority. Yeah. What the hell is that, Johnny?
Alright, safety.
One second.
This is safety right now, okay? Can you guys hear me? This is safety. Safety is #1 here.
The beard is the most safe part.
Yes. I'm like Chuck Norris, okay? Beard's made out of marble, okay? You can't.
This is also safety, right?
Yes. Alright. Last little bit is going to be in the end here, and then we're going to be done for the whole cleaning part. Other than this little spot, that's going to be hand done. There's rubber there. You do not want to wreck it on the buffing wheel. You'll just tear right through that. Yeah, so just going to get that done, and then let's be ready to pop in or give a nice little spray with some good old undercoat. See what happens. Alright, I think Bob's around here right now. Oh, that's puked. Oh boy. There's no real good way of doing this, eh? Oh my gosh. Alright. Watch this not be usable at all. Alright.
Are you gonna put it in the truck today?
No.
We'll do it for a different episode.
Yeah, I'll do a different episode.
Then it's just the cleaning.
It's just the cleaning, yeah. Hold on a second. So freaking so dark in here. Yeah, yeah, okay. Can you zoom in here? Okay, so you want to make sure whenever you're cleaning off something that bolts onto something, the faces where it actually bolts onto, you want that nice and pretty clean, because that's going to be where it mounts. And if it doesn't mount right, I mean, for something like this, it isn't going to be too detrimental. But if you're on some big equipment that either moves fast or has a lot of torque, you want those nice and smooth and clean. But this is looking pretty good. I think it's ready for a little splasheroni on with some paint. So we just got done painting this gearbox, and look how that turns out. Look how it just shimmers in the light here. It came out so well. We taped off the nipple here. We plugged the in and out ports for the fluid from the pump. Made sure the spindle is all nice and clean. And we made sure that the joint here was cleaned off as well. I used a can of Trimic Rust black paint. And then here is the pitman arm. This is not the pitman arm I'm going to be using because it will not work in my truck. I'm going to use the original one that's on the truck right now, but I decided to paint it up too and maybe sell it to someone that can use it so they don't have to go out and buy a new one. And the reason why we can't use it is because on mine, we go from the box out to the driver, to the knuckle, and then over to the other knuckle on the tie rod. On other trucks, the one that this and this was pulled off of, it's more of from the box out to the middle section and then to the knuckles like any other car nowadays are. But this is the kind of old school way. Alright, so we're cleaning the gearbox here, and just for a scale, that's the power steering gearbox, and this is a Shiba Inu. So it's not that big, comparative. Alright, so